A very warm day everyone, this is your Valli addressing from SLVM School Jagapatnagaram dealing with the subject English. So in this video and in the previous video we discussed many things about the present tense and the past tense of the first three tenses of the past tense are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense. Okay children, but in this video we are going to know about past perfect continuous tense and the last tense of past tense. Okay children, look at the picture very clearly. Look at this. Past perfect continuous tense, also called as past perfect progressive tense. Continuous is also called as progressive. And to show an action that had been going on before another past action. To show an action that had been going on before another past action. For example, an action is going on now, but at the same time another action is going on. Just like that, we use this past perfect continuous tense. To show an action that was recently completed also we said it as past perfect continuous tense. And it is used to describe a repeated action in the past. Used to describe a repeated action also we use this past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense is nothing but, listen clearly. For example, I am reading a book and at the same time I read a book. I read a book. Okay, I already finished reading book, but at the same time and I watched movie. I'm watching movie. One action, reading book completed, but the same another action is going on. I'm watching movie. When one action is finishing and another action is simultaneously takes place, that's what we called it as past perfect continuous tense. Okay children, here is the structure. Look at the structure. Yeah. Here is the structure. Subject, had, been, verb 1 plus ing object. And you already know that had is used for all I, we, you, they, he, she, it. For all those we use had. Okay? And we already know that continuous is nothing but ing form. And look at the examples. He, subject, had not been keeping well since a year. And here the girl subject had helping well been playing for 2 hours before he was run out. Okay, I hope past perfect tense is clear, and I will give you a final summary on this video about simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Yeah, here is what we have. Important things to remember. According to past tense, these are the important things you have to remember. These are forms: affirmative, negative, interrogative. For simple past tense, the affirmative come as he wrote. Negative, he did not write. Interrogative, did he write? Affirmative, statement. Negative, opposite version. Interrogative, questioning. Okay, and next, past continuous tense. Affirmative we may get as he was writing. Negative, he was not writing. Interrogative, was he writing? And next, past perfect. Affirmative, he had written. Negative, he had not written. Interrogative, had he written? Next, past perfect continuous tense. He had been writing. Negative, he had not been writing. Interrogative, has he been writing? For questioning sense, we may get has. For questioning, we may get has. Obviously, in the sense we may get had, but had we didn't get. Has we get. So just like this is this pattern you have to follow for all the four tenses of past tense. Okay children, I hope up to here everything is clear. Thank you for watching my video. In the next video we will discuss about future tense and continuation. Thank you.